Hey there! Today we've got something super special for you. You ever scroll through GitHub feeling like a kid lost in a supermarket? Well, no more. We're diving into 5 GitHub repositories that will make you feel like an expert developer. Alright folks, first up we have Novu. Novu is your one-stop shop for a RESTful API that does the heavy lifting so you don't have to. Imagine being able to send notifications through in-app, push, email, SMS, and even chat all from a single, unified API. A fully functional real-time notification center for your web and React apps. Moving on, we've got the System Design Primer. System design is a broad topic. There is a vast amount of resources scattered throughout the web on system design principles. This repo is an organized collection of resources to help you learn how to build systems at scale. You know how you need a primer before painting a wall? Well, consider this your primer before painting your brain with system design knowledge. Picasso couldn't have designed a better system himself. Next, let's talk about what the fuck JS. No, I didn't just swear, that's actually the name. It's the repository that collects all the quirky parts of JavaScript. You know, like realizing 0.1 plus 0.2 doesn't equal 0.3 in JS. The primary goal of this repo is to collect some crazy examples and explain how they work. Next one is CS Video Courses. This repository is chock full of video links to free computer science courses. From algorithms to AI, this is your golden ticket to becoming a CS whiz. While last but certainly not least, we have the algorithms. And yes, that's the algorithms, not just any algorithms. Here you'll find algorithms in every language you can think of. So, whether you're a Pythonista or a Java junkie, there's something for everyone. So there you have it. Go ahead, check these repos, star them, or hey, contribute if you're feeling like a good Samaritan. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any of our future coding escapades. Until next time, this is TechOps Unleashed by Kabiria, signing off.